Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a JEE advanced level question. So in this question it's saying that radioactive sample decay constant lambda is initially at a distance r0 from a radiation counter. So let's assume that we have a radioactive material, okay, and from it radiation are coming out, and at some distance r0 there is a detector. So let's take the detector distance as r. Okay. Now, at any instant, the radiation coming out from the radioactive material can be written as n equal to n naught e to the power minus lambda t. Okay. Now, out of this, only part of radiation will be detected by the detector. So we can write the amount of radiation detected by detector is equal to n divided by total area, which is 4 pi r square into the area of cross section of detector. Okay, and this is actually constant, so let's assume that this is k. According to question, the r is moving in such a way that the total radiation detected by the detector is always constant. So from here, if you will put the value of n, so it will become n naught e to the power minus lambda t a divided by 4 pi r square is equal to k. So from here we can write r square is equal to n naught a divided by 4 pi k, all these are constant, into e to the power minus lambda t. So from here we can find r equal to root under n naught a divided by 4 pi k into e to the power minus lambda t by 2. Now they are saying that find its speed. So speed will be equal to dr by dt. So we just need to differentiate it. So ये पहला टर्म तो पूरा कांस्टेंट है, रूट अंडर एन नॉट ए डिवाइड बाय 4 पाई के इनटू, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. सो इट विल बिकम ई माइनस लैम्डा टी बाय 2 एंड इनटू माइनस लैम्डा बाय 2. सो उन्होंने कह रखा है कि व्हेन टाइम इज जीरो द डिस्टेंस इज आर नॉट. सो अगर हम इस इक्वेशन 1 में टाइम की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं और आर की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, तो वी विल गेट आर नॉट इज इक्वल टू एन नॉट ए 4 पाई के रूट अंडर इंटू 1. सो आर नॉट ए जो रूट के अंदर जो वैल्यूज थी पूरी, उसकी वैल्यू आर नॉट होगी एंड वी विल पुट इट इन वी. सो वी विल बिकम आर नॉट minus lambda by 2 e to the power minus lambda t by 2. Okay, this minus sign represents that the distance of detector is uh, reducing, means the detector is coming closer to the radioactive material. But in the options they have given only magnitude, सो हम लिख सकते हैं वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू आर नॉट लैम्डा बाय 2 ई टू द पावर माइनस लैम्डा टी बाय 2. ओके